Hey everyone, installing apps on your Windows PC doesn't have to be tricky, and it is important to do it the right way. In today's video, I am going to show you all the legal ways to install apps on your PC so you can keep everything safe, secure, and running smoothly. Let's explore all the 11 methods one by one. Let's start the video. Using Microsoft Store. First method. The easiest way to install apps legally is through the Microsoft Store. It is built in your Windows PC and all apps here are verified for security and compatibility. Open the Microsoft Store from the Startup menu. Use the search bar at the top. Type the name of the app you want to install, for example CapCut, and once you find it, just click Get. The app will download and install automatically. The second method, official developers' websites. Another legal method is downloading software directly from the developers' websites. You can get Adobe apps from adobe.com or Firefox from firefox.com. This ensures you get the latest version of the app. Just be sure to double check that you are on the actual website to avoid any security risk. To install Firefox, for instance, open your browser and visit the official Firefox website. Hit the download button, and after the file download, click on it. The app will install automatically. The third method, Windows Package Manager. If you prefer using the command line, tools like Winget, Chocolatey, or Scoop are fantastic tools. With just one command, you can download and install apps in a second. These are perfect if you manage multiple apps. Let's focus on Winget, which comes pre-installed on Windows 10 and 11. For Winget, open the command prompt from the Startup menu and type Winget search VLC. Hit enter, and once you find the app, type Winget install VLC. Winget will download and install VLC in the background, and you can open it from the Startup menu. The fourth method, installing web apps. Some apps offer online platform. You can install them as an app using browser like Edge or Chrome. For example, if you want to install CapCut, visit their website, click the three dot in the browser top right corner, select install this site as an app. The fifth method, MSIX and App Installer. MSIX packages and Windows App Installer are modern, secure method to install software and handle update efficiently. First, install the MSIX packaging tool from the Microsoft Store or download the MSIX package from the developer's website. Double-click the downloaded .msix file. Windows will open the app installer and guide you through the installation process. The sixth method, open source softwares. If you like open source software, websites like GitHub offer tons of legal apps that you can download for free. Just remember to check the authenticity of the repository to avoid downloading anything sketchy. Visit website like GitHub. Use the search bar to find the app you want to install, for example VLC. On the project page, locate the latest release, download the installer file, locate the downloaded file and double click on it. Follow the installation instruction. Method number 7, downloading apps using Microsoft Download Center. You can also install apps from the Microsoft Download Center. Open your browser and visit to the Microsoft Download Center websites. Use the search bar at the top. Type the name of the app you want, for example Windows app, and once you find it, hit the download button, and after the file download, click on it. The app will install automatically. Method number 9, enterprise deployment tools. In business environment, tools like Microsoft Endpoint Manager or Group Policy help companies manage software installation efficiently. IT administration can deploy apps across many devices, and employees don't have to manually install anything. The software is pushed to their computer automatically. Method number 9. Subscription services like Microsoft 365. Services like Microsoft 365 or Adobe Creative Cloud give you regular access to the latest apps and updates. Sign up for a plan, download the apps from your account, install them, and log in to start using them. Method number 10. Physical media. Believe it or not, physical media like CDs, DVDs, and USB drives are still around. You can install software directly from these. This method is also legal. Method number 11. You can buy software from authorized reseller or get app bundles from platforms like Amazon. These ensure you have legit copies with proper licensing. What is MSIX packaging tool? How to install it offline? Let's explore. Open your browser on your PC. Search for MSIX packaging tool for Windows. You can download from website that offers MSIX tools. You can download also it from Microsoft Store or via Winget Package Manager. In this case, we will download the offline tool directly from the Microsoft official websites. Scroll down to find the latest offline version of the tool. Click on the download link for the offline tool. Once the download is complete, click on the installer file. Follow the installation steps, and after the installation is complete, launch the app. In the app, click on the create package. Wait for the system check to finish. Once it's done, restart your PC. Important tip: always check the source when downloading software. Run updates to ensure you are getting the latest security patches. And use antivirus software to scan files if you are unsure about their safety. Now you are ready to install software on your Windows PC the right way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thank you.